Hi, my name is Nicole. Hi.
Come closer to the microphone, Nicole.
I'm a fourth-year secondary education student at Swinburne Uni. On the right up there is my Twitter handle. You might know me from Twitter as the person with the picture of the cat. Her name's Cleo, I love her, so yeah. These are some things I'm interested in. So today I really wanted to talk about, just give some sort of criticisms and good things about teacher training at uni as someone who's been doing a teaching degree since like 2015 now, so it's been a while. Anyway, so one of the first things I wanted to talk about was that early on in the degree it focuses a lot on teaching theory and education theory of development, psychology, and then student behaviour as well. And I thought this was really nice because it gave us a broad idea of education, maybe how students or why students might do what they do, or how we see different behaviours, and sometimes a little bit of theory on how we might be able to sort of change those behaviours as well, or influence it. So then we also looked at learning about how technology can be used in education. So this one specific unit we did actually helped us look at things like how students, even from kindergarten, start learning things like coding, and how even sort of, I'm 24, so I'm quite young, but even people that are a lot younger than me have probably a lot more skills with technology than I do. So our job really becomes about helping